Alright, hey guys, we're back down in the shop today. We was down here yesterday. Had fully intended to do a product video, but the more I got to looking and the more I thought about my design process, I didn't really need that product. So I'll show you real quick what we done yesterday. We got us a little removable hitch here on the front of the jig table. Got us a straight axle rear end under here mounted. I got to weld it on. I just got it C-clamped right now. That come out of an old Ford van. I think it was a Ford, it might be a Chrysler. Anyways, we shortened it down, cut out 8 inches of it, shortened it up to right there. I'm gonna weld it on there and call her good. That way when we get ready, all we gotta do is throw some wheels and tires on it, hook the front to a truck, and pull this bad boy out of the way. So this morning I've already been down here. You can see I've got masking tape everywhere. I went through and tried to find all the welds that hasn't been welded. Gonna try to work on knocking some of those out here for the time being. Dallas has got Bubba over here asleep right here by the heater. It's not cold today, it's just got a little bit of a chill in here. You're warm? Okay. I got Maggie a little fork built over here. That way she can't see the welder. She's also watching the outdoor boys while I'm gonna be welding, so we got it going. Got the wood heater rolling, so it's good and warm over there where she's at. Got the door open with all the welding fumes. Gonna try to get all that out of the shop the best we can. But right now I'm gonna work on knocking some of that out. We did get a lot of parts in last night, yesterday. Did get our A-arm, so we're gonna try to knock that A-arm out, that A-arm mount out here in just a little bit. Once we get that knocked out, we got a couple more brace bars to cut and weld, nothing major. But the main thing today, the main focus today is try to finish up all the welding, get everything done there. That way we can get this thing ready to come off the table and get the table outside and get this thing flipped upside down and complete welding underneath the car. So, got a lot to do today, but it is like 9:30, 10 o'clock roughly. So we've been down here for just a little bit, getting fires going, getting heaters going, getting the kids situated. But now it's time to get to work. I'm gonna try to knock a lot of this out, try to get as much done today as I can, and hopefully get to that point that I'm wanting to be at. So we'll see. Just gotta put our head down, get to work, and probably put the camera down and not talk quite as much.
So hello, it's been a great time with us. Just gonna show you how you get a race car.
All right, hey guys, so we're down here. Brad done a quick video earlier. We're just gonna follow up with that. So he did go back and touch up all the places that need touched up for the most part. I'm sure there will be places here and there that he's still got to work on. What? Does it look weird or something? Mm-hmm. Okay, but anyway, so the plan now is we're gonna get these uprights here for the upper control arm. If you seen it earlier, you would have thought it looked great. We had tape everywhere for the little welds that he needed to weld, but it looks like, huh? That you did video, okay. So that's where we are with everything. I think we have just about got everything taken care of. So, yeah. Move on to the next step is getting the A-arm supports put on, and then hopefully get this thing off of the jig today or the table, and then get the underside welded. So that's the plans for today, and then hopefully get it painted, and we'll be off to the races soon. But anyway, Mama, quick update.
All right guys, so I know Dallas has done just a touch of videoing today. I know I haven't done, I don't think hardly any, to be honest with you. Got in here, got the other brace bar for the front strut rod cut, welded, and installed. Got all the welds welded up that we could get to on top of the chassis. Got our right front end, it's welded up. Got it plated just like I did on the left side, you can see there. We're just letting it cool, making sure it's cool before we unclamp the front suspension mounts. And we're gonna take this thing off the table tonight. Go ahead and have it flipped up to where we can start welding on the underside and get everything knocked out there. Still got a few things to do, but The things that we got to do is not anything that's got to be imported up here on the jig, like putting this crossbar in the halo. I just figured it'd be easier to do it while it's down low on the ground and get to it easier. Still got to put the bar in here for like a droop chain. Still got to build the underslung and then do all the body tabs. Got to get all the body tabs welded up. I got to figure out the tabs for a door bar, get the front bumper and the window bars, and that should be it for welding. Should be it for fabricating. Then we can start putting it together. But the main goal this weekend was trying to get it off the table this weekend. And like I said, that's what we're about to do here in just a minute. I got to get underneath the table and get that clamp right there unbolted. We got a bolt through the table with that C-clamp. Get it took off, and once this cools to where I can completely touch it and hold it and not have to worry about burning myself, that's when we're going to take it off. But it's almost there, so really exciting. Glad to be getting it off the table, glad to be moving on, and looking forward to getting this project finished up. Looking forward to seeing what it does. So we will stick the camera up here over on the jack stand somewhere and time lapse it when we start trying to pick it up and get it off the table. But just wanted to give you a quick update. Gonna do one walk around one more time, just of it on the table. Be the last time it's on the table as we walk around it until it's assembled. So, been a long project, but it came a long way since we just had a stack of tubing laying over on the floor. It definitely, the vision I had in my head, it definitely came out to look like what I had in my head, and now we just got to make sure it races like what I have in my head. But we'll get to that. We'll get to that soon enough. So we're going to finish letting that cool, and I'll pick you back up in just a second.
Alright guys, so you watched that there on time lapsed.
So here it is on the underside. All these gaps look great. Definitely happy with the way it all turned out. Of course, this one's flipped over because some of it's not welded, or none of the underside's welded, but there's also a couple spots he's got to go back and weld also throughout the chassis. So here she is on her side. We can almost see the finish line, and then all the putting together gets started. So I would say he had a pretty productive day today. He got everything done that he wanted to get done. He wanted to get this out today, but we're not going to get that out today. It's going to rain tomorrow, so we're just going to leave that in here tonight, and then we'll get it out, I guess, Monday probably. But anyway, so that's going to finish up the video. You want to do the ending part, babe?
That's going to finish us up tonight, or this weekend, or tonight, whatever you want to call it. We appreciate you watching. Head over to Patreon if you hadn't got over there. Get signed up. Support. All the support over there means the world to us. People that are interested, we got a Amazon wish list. Link will be in the description. There'll be a card at the end of the video for all you on computer or TV. You can click on that. Head over there. Trying to think. I don't think there's any other major announcements that's got to be done, but I just appreciate all the support, all the encouraging words that we've had from start to finish. It's been a heck of a process, but man, it's been so exciting, and it's going to be really exciting to get it loaded up and taking it to a track for the first time. Just thanks to everyone who's reached out to us, and the journey's not over. It's just now beginning. So stick around with us. Hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. We appreciate you guys.